hand magnifier. There's a handheld device. It's a low-tech device. So person with a very low vision can magnify text to read it. And low vision glasses are available for the doctors to prescribe to the patients. Uh, Low vision CCTV video magnifier is also available in different sectors. So this is something that we can, if you put a scanner on top of a text, it magnifies the whole thing, and if you put in an enlarged way in this space. Then there's a CD here. It's called, I think, PlexTech PTN1. So it's the early version that plays CD to the visually impaired users. So it has this kind of navigational options for guidance, speech control. And there is a initiative in Bangladesh nowadays. It's called Daisy Multimedia Academic Book. So it's led by National Curriculum and Textbook Board (NCTB). So what they are doing with different organizations, they are trying to develop textbooks that with MP3 players. So it's like readable textbooks. And as far as we know, some books have already been converted to MP3 for the primary and secondary level. Now let's move on to the technology for the hearing. So for hearing, there is tiny device available that is worn in the ear canal and designed to improve the hearing by making sound audible to the person. Then there is also hearing it with telephone set, amplified telephone. So so that in this case, the speakerphone works so that the person with hearing problem can hear in a louder voice. Then there is a communication board. It's being used for education purpose with different photos. So a person with hearing disease can use this kind of communication board to communicate with another person. So these are being used here. Then for communication impairment, also the last one also is an example of communication impairment. So in this case, there's some other technology available like communication cards. It's a special card with different pictures, the size of a credit card, and it has different kind of icons and phrases so that a person with communication problem can use it for communication. Then also there's advanced electronic communication devices, so that can record the speech or can do text to speech to others, so that communication can be done between two persons. Uh, the final one is the assistive technology for cognition disability. So this is special type. So in this case, the most popular one was PDA. Nowadays, it's being replaced by the smartphone device that we use with Android and iOS. So it has like smart pens that you can use on this. You can write on these screens and use it for your cognitive communication. There is also word prediction software. There's also nowadays different other softwares available so that this person that cannot remember things or learn things quickly, there's software available that assists person with disability to learn more with the software. There's different kind of memory aids in the software as well as hardware versions are available. Voice recorders are also used with people with learning disabilities. They cannot remember things for the long term, so they can use this kind of devices to record and uh, hear again later on. And also, there's tools available in mental health and learning disability tools. They use different kind of word games, puzzles, music to bootstrap their memory function. So these are all the assistive technologies that we have. So what we think there's various limitations nowadays in our country